In this video I will show you how to create and view Mapsforge Multi-Maps. Multi-maps are maps which contain multiple Mapsforge files. This is for instance useful along country borders where you have multiple Mapsforge files which you want to view in a single map. For creating a Mapsforge multi-map we go to the Map Manager, to Offline Maps, plus Add Mapsforge Multi-Map. Now we select the maps we want to include in the multi-map. Let's take Austria, Hungary, Slovenia and Slovakia and Slovenia. Then we load the map. And we see that the map covers Austria, Slovakia, Hungary and Slovenia. We can also move one map, for instance, let's remove Austria. And now we see that the map covers only Slovakia, Hungary and Slovenia. As an alternative, we can load a single folder into a multi-map. Let's delete this one. This folder here contains, for instance, Austria, Hungary, Slovakia and Slovenia, and we want to create a multi-map containing all these files. Therefore we select the folder and click on Add Mapsforge Multi-Map. Okay. Load the map. Now we see that all maps from the folder are included in the multi-map.